What's going on YouTube? So we're heading for another trip, and this time we're gonna be on motorcycles. I just want to show you guys the stuff that we're bringing and how we're gonna pack the motorcycle this time. So if you guys don't know, the last time on when we went to Death Valley, we overpacked and it was way too heavy for just comfort. So right now we're trying to pack small. I'm still bringing three of my cases, the top case and two side bags, but I'm not gonna load them up to to the top and stuff. So we're gonna try to slim it down a little bit. So here's what we're doing. We got the bug repellent, medication, first aid kit, my burner stove, kitchen utensils, an inverter just in case you have to plug in a device. You have two. These two are the game changer for us right now. Is our what do you call this? The air mattresses got really small, so these are inflatable air mattresses. They're less comfortable, but they pack into this small. The old one was huge, so that's a big difference right there. This bag is my electronics kit. It has lights, batteries, everything like electronics, and my tripod, a knife, two knives, my flashlight, some bungee cords for later. This is basically my camera bag slash clothes bag. So it's all contained in one bag. Sleeping bag is right here. This is two person. That's why it's kind of big. They're very comfortable because where we're going is going to be cold. So this is what we're gonna use, and we're just gonna deal with the size of it. My hat there, and here's the bags. So this top case is my wife's top case. She has the food bag there, her clothes and toiletries. So that's her. That's what she's carrying. I'm gonna try to carry the a tarp for the tent. Here's a basic Coleman 3-person tent. As you can see there. It's good enough. It's a good size. So we'll use that one. And I'm carrying, this is the heaviest thing I'm carrying. It's a 2.5 gallon water jug, so it's full with water right now. And that's on my left pannier. So we'll see how the balance goes. I'm gonna play with loading my stuff. And here's my portable camping chair, camping shoes, and another camping chair for my wife. So two camping chairs on the exhaust side here, and yeah, my camping shoes. I'm gonna load it up some more. Let's see how the stuff balances out between the two. But this is basically the top case. I'm prioritizing to my camera bag because I need to get to my camera bag super quickly. So that's the solution I'm gonna do there. I'm not gonna pack stuff over the camera bag so that I can get to it. Because the challenge with motorcycle trip is you can't readily take pictures. You have to get off the bike, park the bike, open your top case. If I have a tank bag, that would be best, but I don't. So I'm dealing with this right now. So I have to park, get out, open my top case, take pictures. So the easier I can do that, the better I can document the trip. So that's that. That's pretty much it. So we're gonna go ahead and load it up on the bike, and then we'll see how it looks. If you saw our Death Valley trip, I had more stuff in this area, and I don't have it anymore. So it's all in the bags, and now at most I just have the tent and my tripod, and that's it. So hopefully it would be more manageable this time, and we can go into more places. Alright, it's like pit stop, buddy's house. It's my wife's bike, mine, and my friend's bike. So GS. Yeah, so it's looking good. It looks like nothing has shifted much. I'm kind of liking this GoPro mount right here. The view is pretty nice. And a little change from being on the chin. It's also less weight on my face for long rides. So I'm gonna experiment with this, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, but so far, I liking the light setup. Light as in, I don't have a lot of stuff back here, so I like that. Okay. Alright, we are finally at our camp spot. Finally found a spot after a couple hours of riding around. Couldn't find one, so here it is. Here's our camp spot. Here it is. You can hear.
We technically found a few down there.
Yeah, but it was like
it's not suitable.
Not suitable, not to our standards. There's a river down over there. Across the road, you can hear the flowing water. It's nice. Mountains. It's far enough away from the road to be comfortable, and it's just us here right now. So it's no holiday, so it's just us. Yeah, I'm probably gonna set up my tent right here, and John will be over there on the other side.
How big is your tent?
Or we can both be here. Yeah, we can both
like
be here.
One
One here, one there. Yeah. Yeah, so one here, one there. All right, we're gonna set up. Here we are, almost nighttime. Tent's all set up. Here you go. Trying to take some pictures later. Yeah, so far no one else is here but us. So, yep, very quiet. Let's go back to our spot. It's really nice. The spot is just us. Got a nice area right here. So tomorrow we're gonna go explore some more and then go home. Alright guys, we're just waking up here. It's super cold. So we're gonna try to find another camp spot today. And yeah, we'll see. Hopefully we can get something with a better view. But yeah, we're gonna get some breakfast going and then we're gonna head out. Here's a view of our camp spot. Here climbing some rocks. It's nice. our camp spot right there. You can still see snow in July up in the mountain. It's crazy. Yeah.
Triangle. Fire shit.
Fire. All right, nighttime. Last night here. Heading home tomorrow. It's a nice camp spot. I like this. Turning in for the night. Morning.
Thing's still not out of fuel, man. I've used this for hella long. Like so many cookies.
What are we having today? 18 grams of protein. Nice. Alright. Morning time. I'm gonna get breakfast and go home. Can't wait to go home actually, but it's pretty nice here. 3-hour ride.
I dreamt about it.
I heard somebody snoring.
Not me. I don't snore.
Somebody snoring. I'm like, wow, they fell asleep before me.
Good?
Keep going. More. Good race. More.
All of it?
That's very good. Yeah, 4 more.
All of it then?
Yeah, 4 of it.
Alright. Alright. Let's see how you prepared this. With beef jerky?
It works, man. Voila.
Breakfast burrito. There you go.
Boom.
We're still waiting for ours. Oh, it's tipping over.
Should be sealed.
Yeah.
The Ziploc bag closed well. I'll post this picture like it was today.
Huh?
There's
There you go.